going on, guys? It's Chris's SVT Garage. Real quick before the video gets going, I just want to say something that's awesome. We got our website live. All the shirts are on there. When we start dropping the stuff on the AN lines and all that other stuff, the stuff for the battery, the big wire stuff, that's all going to be on there too. We're still working on it, so if we haven't got back to you yet, that's why. We're just trying to get everything dialed in. But svtgarage.com is live. Go on there, get your shirt, put the order in, support the channel. As always, we appreciate it. Can't thank you guys enough for everything. But let's get back to the video. And again, thank you.
Hey guys, it's Brad with SVT Garage, and today it's Project McQueen. It is a 2019 Mustang Bullitt. The owner of the car wants to do just a couple little things to it, so we're going to do some lowering springs, new shifter, and then we're going to do hood struts. So this video is going to be a little bit shorter, but we kind of wanted to show you more of the day-to-day stuff. While these big projects like this one over here are great, these are the ones that flow through daily. This one will take 2 to 4 weeks to complete. This one, it got dropped off earlier today. The owner of the car will be picking it up tomorrow. But we just wanted to show you the day-to-day stuff. Let us know if you like these videos. If you don't, whatever, just let us know. So we wanted to do a quick walk around of the car for you. It's not every day that you see a Bullitt, so we kind of wanted to show off some of the unique things that go with it. Obviously, you guys can see the exterior, but so things like this, it'll be riveted right to the strut tower. And while the engine itself doesn't have anything radically changed with it, it does have a hotter tune in it, so they make a little bit more power. You get cool things like this. So only in the Bullitts will you find the green stitching. So that's kind of cool. Another thing would be the screen. So it's got like all the fancy bells and whistles, backup navigation, all that stuff. But yeah, pretty sweet little car. It's cool that they're a little bit different, but keep a lot of the stuff the same. That way down the road, if you do have to fix anything, parts won't be too difficult to acquire. All right, so these are the customer supplied parts that he wanted us to install. So this is a Barton shifter, made in the US of A, very well built. So if you're thinking about one, these are definitely built like a tank. Comes pre-greased and everything. We are big MGW fans, but it's important to note that there's plenty of stuff out there. Just because we don't use it typically doesn't mean it's not good. This is a good example. You can see just how well this thing's built. Very solid, very comparable MGW. It's all about preference. But you bought a good shifter, or parts in general, when each one of them comes individually wrapped. Same thing with the Ford Performance springs over here. You can see there's foam and then they're plastic wrapped. So haven't seen many people ship me springs like this, but it's good to know they care. And last but not least, the Ford Performance hood struts that Ford should be putting on these vehicles from factory. So just wanted to show you what's going to be going in, and yeah, stay tuned. Guys, to give you a little tip, so when I'm installing these, I always make sure to check out the isolator, make sure that it's not, falling apart or anything like that. It's in good shape, it's not deteriorating. It's a little hard from age, and then get yourself a little bit of grease. Any kind will really do, but just take a little bit and just put it right there. That way when you're installing it, if it squeaks or anything, this is going to help prevent that from happening. It's just a little tip. Anytime I'm installing new suspension parts, just put a little bit of grease anywhere where points are going to move on each other, because that's what will happen if you don't.
Guys, quick commercial break because we want to show you a new product that's made its way into SVT Garage. Neverland Auto is hooking us up with a code that you guys can use. We will have that website linked in the description, so go ahead and use that code and save your guys some money on some premium car covers. So if you're looking for a premium car cover with some pretty awesome features, Neverland Auto has you covered. Again, right down to having a built-in zipper so that you can access the car even when it's all covered up. You don't have to take this thing off. So again, guys, go check out Neverland Auto and save yourself a couple bucks. Let's get back to the video. Alright guys, quick commercial break. Huge shout out to Novesight. They sent us these LED light bulbs. We threw them in the red fire. They're absolutely amazing. Go on their website, check them out. Link in description. Use the code SVTG to save 20% off their products and get your car hooked up.
Alright guys, it's day 2 of Project McQueen. We got all the suspension in. You can see the new springs are in right there. I'll show you the fronts in a second, but we had a little bit of a snag, so that's why it's taken so long. So I'm going to show you where we're at and where we're going. So there's the front spring. You can see that's in now. We got all the brakes, everything back together. So I'm going to show you where we're at with the shifter install. All right, so for the shifter, basically I got the exhaust hanging down and I've dropped the middle part and the rear of the drive shaft. I don't personally take it all out unless for some reason I'm having an issue. I still mark it, but this is going to give you more than plenty of space to get that old shifter out. But yeah, just droop it on here, support it with a jack, and you can see it's disconnected up here. But yeah, right now we're going to get the new shifter, or get the old shifter out, get the new shifter in, and we're going to show you that right now. All right, everybody, it's the end of the video. Customer's on his way to pick up his car now. Everything's put in it. So it's got the Ford Racing lowering springs, a Barton shifter. I think it's revision 2. And then a set of Ford Performance hood struts. So right now, just going over everything and detailing it up, but should be here in about 10-15 minutes. So thanks for watching. Let us know if you like these videos. I'm sure we'll have a couple more going up very soon.